Why do we get hiccups? Hiccups happen when a muscle called the diaphragm suddenly contracts. Without warning, the diaphragm sits below your lungs and helps you breathe. When it spasms, you quickly suck in air. Then your vocal cords snap shut, creating the familiar hic sound. Hiccups can be triggered by eating too fast, drinking fizzy drinks, laughing a lot, or even getting excited. But here's the weird part. Scientists still aren't completely sure why humans get hiccups. Some think they could be a leftover reflex from our ancient evolutionary past. So the next time you get the hiccups, remember your body is doing something that even science hasn't fully explained. Follow for more medical facts.